Jackson, hold on really tight, okay? Really tight. Don't let go.
Ready? Hold on as tight as you can, okay?
Dad.
Ready? Here we go.
Do not let go.
Jackson,
tight.
don't let
Squeeze
go.
My neck. Squeeze my neck. 1, 2, 3. Hold on tight.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! You did it! He goes, I'm gonna do that again.
You know, when the blood supply to your brain is cut off immediately, it's a little bit more difficult to hold on to the end of a rope.
You really made me feel better about when that's okay.
I was like, I'm dizzy, I'm dizzy. Is there a kid on my back? Am I on a rope right now? What's happening? Hi! I'm vlogging here!
All right, well, I've got a little helper in the kitchen. Careful, remember it's hot. I always get nervous when they get to the age where they want to help in the kitchen because I don't want them to get burnt. But he loves cooking, and I think it's important to have him help and to learn. Good job, you're doing a great job. He was whining and whining. I want to help you. So I had to let him. You having fun, Dax?
Yeah.
You like cooking in the kitchen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm with you, Mom.
I love you. Thanks for being my helper. Yeah.
I'm hot.
You're hot?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hot right there, huh? Avia,
What?
is it a battle zone out there?
I'm
looks-
I don't want to get my swimsuit. So.
It looks like you have the proper armor for a water balloon fight.
So aim for your knees and your face.
What can we find for your face? You know what? There are some full facial Spider-Man masks in the boys' room.
Cool, let's talk about something
Yes.
important. Where's the ketchup?
Good point. Where is